Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. In today's top story, we will talk about heavy fighting in Torit, rising ethnic tension in Apaal, and the massive government reshuffle ordered by President Salva Kiir Mayardit. Before we begin with this top story, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. Let's start with heavy clash in Torit. According to the report from Torit, it has been confirmed that serious fighting broke out between the South Sudan People Defense Forces, SSPDF, and opposition group. According to source on the ground, the clash started early in the day and continued for several hours. This violence did not come out of nowhere. It followed a new alliance formed back in September 2025 between two major opposition groups. SPLIO faction led by acting chairman Nathaniel Oyet and the commander-in-chief of the SPLIO, and NAS, the National Salvation Front, led by General Thomas Cirillo. For years, this group did not work together. They disagreed in many things. They fought each other, and they had separate goals. But in September this year, 2025, they surprised the whole country by announcing a joint military and political partnership. Since then, they have been working together in several operations. One of the most notable actions was when they briefly captured an SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force base in this place called Kediba, which is located in Mundere East County. That operation showed that their cooperation is not just political. These two groups, they are acting together on the battlefield. The new attack in Torit showed that this alliance is growing stronger, and it raises big questions about the future of peace in South Sudan. Why is Torit important? Torit is a strategic location. It connects road. It also important administrative centers, and it serves as a gateway for humanitarian aid. Any fighting there can quickly affect thousands of civilians. If this violence continues, it could displace many families. It could also block humanitarian groups from reaching remote villages. It could also increase fear and tension among local communities. Well, this incident also raised a challenge to the 2018 peace agreement. Each new battle weakens trust, especially when the government and opposition are supposed to be working toward stability. International partners may step in again and call for new mediation, but as many people said, you cannot build peace with gun firing every week. The people of Torit fear that if the situation is not handled quickly, it could spread to nearby counties. For now, citizens are being advised to stay away from active areas and keep their families safe. Both sides are still exchanging accusations about who started the fighting. The truth will be clear in the next few days. But one thing is sure, South Sudan peace remains fragile, and rebel coalitions are becoming more bold and coordinated than before. As Torit deals with fresh violence, another serious issue is building in the Apaal region, and an ethnic conflict that has now attracted involvement from state forces and foreign troops. Let's look at ethnic tension rising in Apaal. Today, we take a deep look at the growing tension between the Jikainwer community of Doma, Payam in Ulang County, and the Ngoglwal Yak Dinka community of Adong and Baliet. We have a report here. They say this conflict did not start today. It has been growing since August this year, 2025. Let us break this story down clearly. First attack that was started in August, some youth from Ngoglwal Yak community of Adong and Baliet organized a raid on Manakwach village. They killed 3 people and took 310 cows. Instead of retaliating, the people of Doma Payam responded peacefully. They asked the authorities of Adong and Baliet to return the cattle and settle the issue quietly, but there was no positive response. Second attack, 2 weeks later, the same youths came back and attacked Riang village in Doma Payam. Again, 3 people were killed and 30 cows were taken. Once again, the Nuer community approached the authorities peacefully. According to the information, they requested the cattle to be returned. Again, there was no good feedback. After repeated attack, some youths from Doma Payam in Ulang finally retaliated. They raided Adong and Baliet villages, killing several people and taking cattle. For many people watching this situation, everything up to this point looked like a normal communal conflict, sad, painful, but local. But suddenly, something changed. According to the report yesterday, a report confirmed that SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force soldier, and UPDF mercenaries carried out airstrike using gunship, helicopter on Manakwach and Riang, the same village that were previously attacked. This is a shocking escalation. For many people, it is the first time they have seen a local cattle conflict turn into a military operation from the National Army and foreign troops. Sources also say that this forced supplied ammunition to the youth from the Ngoglwal Yak community, who are now moving toward Doma Payam. So if we can ask, who is behind this? Many people are pointing to Honorable Cholton Balok, the Minister of Defense, calling him the main architect of this conflict. He has long been accused of steering tribal violence, and people believe he's fueling this situation to gain political advantage. This conflict is becoming more dangerous because heavy weapons are now involved. Helicopters are being used in a local dispute, and civilians are caught between powerful forces. The movement of youth from both sides is increasing. Fear and anger are spreading in surrounding counties. If this continues, it could explode into a larger regional crisis. So, what do the people want? The communities of Ulang County want peace. They want the government to stop supporting one side. They want the youth to stop raiding each other. And they want both sides to return stolen cattle and stop the bloodshed. But instead of calming the situation, army forces are making it worse. This is a critical moment. Leaders from both sides need to act fast before this conflict grows beyond control. As communities struggle with violence and political pressure in Apaal, major changes are happening in Juba. According to the information, President Salva Kiir Mayardit has announced a massive reshuffle at the national, state, and county level. Let's look at this new reshuffle ordered by President Salva Kiir Mayardit on November 21st, 2025. This reshuffle affects national ministries, Warab State, Unity State, several commission, county commission, and the Unity State Parliament. Let us break it down this way. National level change. 2 top officials in the agriculture and rural development sector were removed. Dr. John Ogoto was removed as Undersecretary for Agriculture, and Professor Matthew Gordon was removed as Undersecretary for Cooperative, and new officials were appointed. Dr. Michael Roberto for Agriculture, Anthony Majak Akoch Malek for Cooperative. After being removed, Professor Udo was given a new role as Technical Advisor. Several top posts changed and Advisor on Peace and Security, John Mayek Bat Geng, Minister for Cabinet Affairs, Sarah Saverino Philip Bazia, Minister of Local Government, Akon Madutong, Minister of Peace Building, Diem Deng. New county commissioners were appointed, including for Tonyos, and Gogrial East. Unity State major overall. Unity State saw a big shake-up also. Minister of Road and Bridge, George Mainton Liu, Minister of Cooperative, Baya Rai, Minister of Health, Jal Pognial, Minister of Information, Monica Nyakenya. Commissioners were also reshuffled heavily. Relief and Rehabilitation Commission, Moses Roylat Chengjuak, Human Rights Commission, Tuodiang Kwaljok. Several new members were appointed to the Anti-Corruption Commission and the Employees Justice Chamber. County commissioners were appointed for Mayom Ler Mayandit. The Unity State Parliament was also changed. Mary Yuarlwal became Deputy Speaker. New MPs appointed, including Kwal Kwany, Cheng Tang, Takerik, and others. No explanation was given. The government did not give any reason for these changes, but reshuffle are common in South Sudan. Some people believe it is a way to reward loyalty. Others said it is done to balance power among communities. And some believe it is just a method to control political space before election. Whatever the reason, these changes will affect how the state government operates in the coming month. These are the major stories for today. Biakamal Gwasme, ka Changfied YouTube channel. Mijiram jidit Gwasme gori jenojin, deri Changfied YouTube channel, deri je support, deri subscribe, kade notification bell deri je twany ko bileren kon lat ko rin Gwasme bikan chamala shukije. Bana je tu ka leren yam Gwasme. Leren yam rega dan chitu dor shal kame I Torit. Shala de no take a kurmi to which with me. A banner right ka shokian tin lono there and there road a mal ling door come and le road. Kajan was a pie which shala de one and a door shall get to read. Shala de culture to come SSPDF. They need South Sudan People Defense Force in the pink him yadit. Shigan can a bunting cocaine and con inter wishing with me. Kajo chala da natin kon la nen chala do korche to gan wala karun wang wa che jen along an kor mo tina kor any ring che na me chala do chet to lora ba to ga nika gwade da ne chu ka jen pai bon ne dan me shi opposition party charin rol gwaskel ke charin mat a shit ke kuma SPLIO me right natanelo yet kane Quern Dana Roach Bonishal National Salvation Front, Wudishal General Thomas Cerillo. Kene Dangro Ticharin Maraneko Gwasi Dan Kajan Paibonganamo. Ngay Kona Koruntung one, the Colarno, Shikari Ling no wall. Kuma Spilayo take a rada, Kumishal Kenaso, National Salvation Front take a rada, a low let Kaguli. Near Pankin Bullock and a white Bokorodian, Kawasi Dan Mishari Pochaino. Kajan Paibonganamo, Shirin Madoni, what you can kume SSPDF Chukanama. You can base SSPDF Metadoran Shalke Kadiba, Chukana Magan, when Mokashukana Cap, and Kadiba take Mundere East County. Again, Guadan Chig Moya Tokten, Chajo Mochajalan on Sugar Let Kill. And while George Guano Dormom shall get to Rido, Chikori Road and Yokomutu Road and Walla. Kakur Mote Kam Kume Kim Yadikan Kume Svilayo, Michurian Matkan Kume General Serilo. tel mi chalat ka queen en kon en chit ka board kin tin kon shiriar ba chalan yo ken shi ka kor me chikana to ka wa chi kor che to so dio je bantin kon lat kor din ban ka lin ko gwasen be but report en chit to gwad men chanung chala du ne ne shi kor mo je to on walle kam din jen ta dan len ngaru din ke je na re wichi mi shi ga dwal men tin kon tin la ji wich ki civilian ka ku kor dan to na me ring mu to re wichi mi ler din ban nyok mu kon gwasme kor dan chit to dar shal ke ma Apaal shana we kari garan chitwok ka jikai nur kan jikai nur ka Doma payam ka ulang county kan ngok lwal yak dinka community ke we jane ke community jane re wichin widimi ka do be dane chire ke tuogo je but ke jelere me che ke te go de chala tinde de linga gwa dupte ko ne tuok dor ka je ano kur che tidu na tuok bang che kon yala ngaji no chane dambakel paigan nak telan wore dar shal ka me gala shal but right now ne me atara anti ko je tuogo je ki men dan le roda enter mi chene me titin chene ngai kona ter jen chala do tuogo ke jen pete ko ne paiwo enona chala do ne ne shingwani ngog lwal ya community chiga jen ka Adong kana bali charu ri aleka enona chukan ko kwal dar shal ka mana kwaj village ka chukan e dang dok chukan kanak chukanok ri chop ke ku dang dok do well chukan kana ka kore meshi ne re konte ka Doma payam ko lang mi jikan ku ja kan goro no de kan kore kana kap chukan goro je no bika right ka community mentire wichin winimi jikan jogo no de yen ko den ka lo jok wa chang raj mi chalar ke ki kan ka lo mandana le roda tel respond ki comment mi chanung kan community jan mi dan hun mi ka jo mi chalat gwasme wa chu ataklen chu nyoko tuok kana mo tuok ka kore wa chu nyoko lu jok kan ngane jane chu kan riang village chu kan mak kan ka Doma payam and when mo chu ne dang dok chu kan kanak ka chu kanok ri dang dok chu kan kanang ka kor ke me shi na mo che tuok no chu nuari wa chu ga jien chu kan ga jogo no lo jo ko jok once again junior community ro dia aleka chu kan ne kon te ka longa la ji authority chu ga la no ne me ba jalat kamal me chi kana jogo no lo jo ko wa kanano kanoken kan ka loch en mi shi kana me ka jen fai wel kele meni ana shungane ko ne te ka Doma payam wa shawren ri aleka ko bi kan we bi ko ken bi kan ko lo jok chu kana Adong kana balit wi ten wana mola wi jane chu kan kama chu kan e wan yu kan kanak ti chala do na sig wona kan e jan badde gudon wan ka chu kanok ti chop ke kin dang de chu kan kana ne me mi ti tore wishim gini mi ka kore mi chi kur ma je togo pan ga je CSS PDF ka UPDF mercenaries chu renyalin chu bok dor dana tin wote gutin chet ke mana kwach ka jo dana chalat mana kwai ken riang wa chwa ga bokare nyal so na mo wachel chinerin wanti gaje lon ka do badana de kume dera ne de koni la villagers ne de nyin ke ngwane nyin de lo benejen lo ore jang na mo chu ina chu jage chai guje no na me chelan wala dungok ano kawok mi chala kwal ne ka mi ja kwal den ne ti bukan bukan ko no para kuje mo wachi SSPDF chicken sa chicken kan cha ne de konti la ngok lwal yak community chicken ko wor ka jo dana chalat antema ka jo lat kementeme wa ngok lwal ya community wa weka dor shal ke Doma payam ka jeri podana chano so dene dial dena tijino nene anga mtu grek mi chitkene me ne tin wane Ramadan lat kene honorable Cholton Balok jaram dala minister of defense wa jaram dana leti diala ti jaram dana ku rek kuje to kam community nuere kana community jane wa jele mi chitkene me ko wa beteka power wa political advantage ke je ko mitna kor den chabul lano jen baji wuje janken so ne me mutwo bar tam right now wa kor che chuk che cha ko tam che ku mi chale wor rai kamet te bogana tin garen yali la ne me tam che beje lung gwad mi jen do badana chala ne me kor ka tin tam rai wich mo mishal ka mo e balet kana Adong ke Doma ka Apaal so kor mo jatin right now wa wujang wo ken muku ka advanced scale ka SSPDF ban report in bar jele jigwasen be chan right ka jodan chalat gwaseme selpa Kiir me yadi tere wich ka juba te gane tin wanti chawach na me ripon mi chalar ga shang ndang ru kel ka pai well kel atu kontina ron kin dang ro jandang ru de dich ye self ke ma yadi chene wan che ka watch kan tin content cha fa ke tin che yar national ministers che ga yar warab state ke unit state kana gotun wan ka commissionary unit state parliament bo wa cha ne tin wan cha ga wetin long ke cha ka ger ka jom chalat gwas men bu kon kullinga wane ne ka national level wa cha ne dang ro cha wila two top official ka agriculture ken rural development cha ka juj panken Dr. John Ogoto cha juj ajena cha remove under secretary for agriculture Professor Matthew Gordon cha ja wuj amene de koken ba cha ka wuj cha ne de koken cha nyom ko nya ka gon ken ka warab ban chatene de koken ba de cha wuj cha advisor on peace and security cha ja wuj Michel ka John ma yigbat ke Minister Cabinet Affairs Sarah Sabrina Philip ne de tedine kane de cha nyok ka me gar ka bane mi kon bu kon ka unit state cha ne wan cha wuj long no Minister of Road and Bridge George Maiton Minister of Cooperative Baya Ray Minister of Health Jal Pongnyal Minister of Information Monica Nyakenya Yohanes kana commissioner ko kena wa cha karit ka jo dan shalat shaji relief and rehabilitation commission ba cha ga nyok bo ka migar ka ke Moses Ray Lat Shengjwak cha ja ger ke cha ka ger so ne me chinawun ka county commissioner bani kama yom ler ke ma yendit ne dialen cha nyok migar ka ke kena ne wan ko ken so jo me jenda na gorno de nyaka konkel ka ta dan shwaro den lat ke je mi jira mi jidit gwaseme ka Changfied YouTube channel gorno jin bi subscribe ka vi notification bell je to an komite mi bare gwaseme ba chwa mala shi be ke ji an biya ta gamal bye bye